I just walked through the entire process on Rt9. LOL, a website that claims to offer free gift card codes, and I've done everything step by step to see if it actually works. After completing the process, I checked the results, and there are definitely some concerns that stand out. The site lacks transparency, meaning there's no clear information about who runs it or how they generate these codes. It also has a very low trust score, and the domain has been flagged as risky and even blacklisted, which raises serious doubts about its credibility. The promises made on the site seem too good to be true, and while I didn't encounter any direct scam elements, I also didn't get solid proof that it delivers what it claims. It's one of those platforms that sits in a gray area. Some people might have success, while others could run into issues. Whether it's worth trying or not is something you have to decide, but I'd recommend being cautious and doing your own research before trusting it. Let me know in the comments if you've used Rt9.Lol and what your experience was like.